3, 2, 1.
Tech Wars is a dream come true for us. It gives students the opportunity to showcase their skill sets outside of athletics and fine arts in the classroom. It gives students an opportunity to participate in activities that are unique.
So today, so far what we've seen, a lot of the great traits of actually a classroom. So you've seen teamwork, you've seen students helping each other, you've seen them having to problem solve. So all those things encompass what it means to be a good student for Tech Wars, and that ties into the classroom, but it also ties into 21st century classroom, jobs that are going forward. So those are the things that it ties into. We're happy to see all the students back.
We have rocketry and drone racing and battle bots and just so many different activities that drive participation, but more than anything, it's giving students authentic experiences that they can utilize as they move into the future. We have many students who want to be engineers and computer programmers, and we have many students that have dreams of working for SpaceX one day and NASA. And this is just real world application. So McAllen ISD once again setting the bar and giving our students experiences that will propel them into the future.